I was just having a thought to myself. It said, "Self, if you build it, they will come." Now, if you know anything about the Garden of Eden, God said, plant all the seeds, nurture my plants for food for me. So, if you build it, they will come. The second part of it, come on, what's up with this thing? Mealworm feeder. If you build it, they will come. We have any up there? Oh yeah. They're up and around. The little swallowtail feeding. All kinds of things going on back here. If you build it, they will come. Come to your Garden of Eden. What? Do you want to be on film too? Okay. All right. I understand.